There's a really beautiful, bold curiosity in this particular institution for alumni or even present students or staff or faculty that are around the ecosystem of Rice. They're going to bet on you, and that's the cool thing about it, because entrepreneurs need someone to bet on.
All right. Today we're taking another exciting step forward with the launch of the Rice Nexus here at the ION, a space that embodies Rice's vision for the future of technology and innovation.
We needed something for our faculty and our students to be able to survive in the real world when they invent something and create a company.
Get your legs in there. As an entrepreneur and as a founder who's trying to kind of grow not only the technology but the team, it's exactly what we needed, because we just needed a little bit of space, a little bit of help, a little cohesion, and then get really kind of the school and the power of the school behind us publicly.
So if you have an idea, if you want to start your own company, we give you all the possible facilities and support that you need to take it to the next level, to commercialize your technology.
Over 75% of the startups in there come from Lilly programming, as well as some support as well from Rice Alliance. You see that kind of synergy that's happening on campus, and now we can build it and we can grow it here, and then we can release it to the world. That's what the Nexus is all about.
Message for innovators and entrepreneurs: if they are affiliated with Rice in any form or shape, whether they're faculty, they're students, they're alums, they have passed out from Rice many years ago, if they have any dream of starting their company, launching their company and commercializing it, this is it.